Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of Euro USD, USDCAD, USDJPY and USD CHF has moved in the last week and how the price of these currency pairs will move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, what we have seen, Euro USD now trading at a level of $1.0815. Okay, there is a zone breakout we have seen at this level. That is where the price has moved down now, and after breaking out this zone it has moved up. Two patterns are forming. This particular U pattern is forming. So if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of $1.0641, and once started going below this particular level, it can touch a level of 1.05. From there a bounce back can come. Okay, but if started falling below this level, we can see a level this level, and once started going below this level, chances are high it will fall below a level of $1.038, and from there a further fall we can see towards 1.26, and from there it will fall below a level of $1.018, and a probability of going below a level of 1.017, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 1.0028. Okay, but if the price sustain above this level, probability is high it will move above level 1.09470, and once started moving above this level, probability of touching $1.11 will be there, and from there a probability of going above a level of 1.21. If that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 1.29, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. So remember, as soon as zone breakout happens towards upside, we can see level of 1.15 and then further upside. Okay, so two things you have to remember, that if the price started falling below 1.045, a further fall we can see below a level of 1.0185, and but if the price started sustaining over a level of 1.096, a further high we can see towards 1.115 to a level of 1.1220, and then it will move out of this zone. Now if we look at the chart of USDCAD, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of 1.43580. There is a U pattern forming at this level. There is a zone breakout happens at this level. Okay, so chances are high, suppose if the price sustain above a level of $1.44, a further upside we can see towards a level of 1.45, and once started sustaining above 1.45, a further upside we can see towards $1.47, and then a further high we can see. So there will be a zone breakout, so chances are high the price will move further upside. Okay, so you have to understand that probability of moving further upside is on a higher side if the price keeps sustaining above 1.44. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of 1.42, chances are high the price will fall further low, and it once started falling below a level of 1.42, chances are high it will cross a level of 1.41, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 1.397, and from there a further fall we can see towards 1.388. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see, so chances are of going further low will be there. This pattern is showing towards an upside, so chances are high we can see there will be a higher chances that we can see it can move above a level of 1.48 if the price sustain above $1.44. Now coming back on USDJPY, you can see that USDJPY now trading at a level of $149.30. Okay, there was a continuous upside we have seen in the price of USDJPY. Okay, see, there is a trend forming, so you have to understand that if the pattern follows this particular trend, chances can be high it can touch again an upside, then we can see a downfall. But otherwise, if you look at this particular trend, chances of going downfall is there if the price started going below a level of around 148.195. okay, if the price started falling below 148, we can see a further fall, and then it will move below a level of $1.624, and then a further downfall we can see towards 144.60. But if the price keeps sustaining above this level, probability is high it will cross a level of $150.4, because this $150.4 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and once started sustaining above this level, it will cross a level of 151.3 also. This 150 is also being a weak resistance, and this is also a weak resistance, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and there is a higher chances it will touch a level of $152.29, and if that price sustaining of this level, probability of touching 153 will be there. okay, and then further upside. So I hope you understand this level. So if the price started falling below 148, we will see that the price can move below a level of 146. But if the price sustain above this level, chances are high it will cross a level of 151 also, then to a level of 153.3. This is the level, and once started moving over this level, of further upside we can see. Okay, now coming back on the price of USDCHF, you will see the price, how the price is moving. See, if you look at the USDCHF, what we have seen, it is moving in this zone. Okay, so you can see when there is a zone breakout happens after a level of $0.91, we can see there will be a further upside movement. But if the price started going below a level of around 0.88, we will see there will be a further downfall. So chances are high the price can move towards 0.87, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 0.86. If the price started falling below that level, chances of touching 0.83 will be there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $0.833, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. But suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high it can move towards 0.89, and from there a level of 0.90, and once started moving off this level, probability of touching 0.91 will be there, and then it will cross a level of $0.92. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of 0.94, and then a further upside. Again I repeat, if the price started going below a level of around 0.87, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 0.86 to a level of 0.85, and then to a level of 0.85. Then it can move below a level of $0.83. But if the price sustain, it can touch a level of 0.89 to a level of 0.90, and then it will move above a level of 0.915, and then chances are high it will cross a level of $0.92. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see, and then it can touch a level of 0.92 and then a further high. But probability of going further upside will be there if the price sustain this level. But if the price started falling below 0.87, a further fall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description.